Okay guys, and welcome to a new video, and let's analyze for next week what happened and what prediction for next week. Okay, we start from monthly. Okay, before analyze, we start from big time frame to small time frame. Okay, which is start from monthly, weekly, daily until M1 or M5. Okay, start from big to small. Okay, start from monthly for month. Okay, just turn to line chart and then you can see this support. Yes, the support already break out, but not respect as SBR formation. Okay, my expectation is falling down, but gold already break all resistance due or election, FOMC, no, NFP, and then what the last CPI. Okay, now this support we can use. Okay, next support, the nearest support is here. Okay, this is nearest for monthly, and then we can try to use trend line. Okay, this is for monthly, but we still have now at support monthly. Okay, next turn to weekly. Okay, weekly we can see have resistance weekly at this zone. I think this zone we can delete, and then okay, this trend line also delete. Okay, now but we can see all resistance weekly already break out, and this is last nearest weekly resistance. Okay, now my expectation gold can fly until this level, and then we can try sell here. Okay, we can try sell around this zone, but it's quite big zone, but we can try. Okay, now weekly, but you can see weekly still can bullish running. Okay, next daily. Okay, daily. Okay, this resistance breakout, this resistance. Yeah, for last setup for Friday, my expectation also breakout. Yes, last Friday candle daily close breakout. Okay, so my expectation, yes, daily or this candle still can break or can fly until this level, and then we can start selling. Okay, maybe next week. Maybe next week gold can reach this level. Maybe can reach this level. Okay, so be prepared. Okay, why I want to sell here? First, okay, this is daily setup. Okay, this is I talk about daily setup, and if respect this setup. Okay, which is this is R daily, and then this is support daily already breakout. This is also support daily already breakout. Okay, support breakout, pullback, breakout, also pullback. So this is formation RSS. Pullback, and then we need to entry here. SAR, this is S, this is S. Okay, now my expectation daily can fly until this level. Okay, or pull back at this zone and then fly until this level, and then we can start sell here, in this zone. Okay, why? Because this is support already break out, and then this is potential candle pullback. pull back. Start from here until here. This is can pull back if reach this zone. Okay, but what if break out this zone? Yes, goal still can fly. If pull back at this zone, yes, absolutely direction is quite strong by. Okay, but we can try first. We can try sell. Okay, because we have confirmation. Okay, so we have reason why I want sell, but if still break out, just forget it and just turning to focus on direction buy. Okay, for now just focus on just waiting game, but this is last setup, which is at last setup at Friday. Okay, I give buy until now fly. Okay, maybe around 150 pips. Okay, I give buy here and then fly 170 pips. This is for last setup. I'm still hold. Okay, I still hold because my prediction. Okay, this resistance also break out. That's why pull back and fly. Maybe can pull back and fly. Okay. So just don't worry. Yes, we have a lot of setup. If fail, I will recounter, but I will make sure the ending is all profit. Okay. So just don't worry. All setup. Just waiting game for the perfect setup. Okay, now my prediction is for next week still can fly until this level around 300 pips maybe. Okay, we can check. But from last closing candle daily around 300 pips more. Okay. Okay, what if can the reach for tomorrow or for Thursday, for Wednesday? Okay, just waiting in the game. First, I will share how to find zone, how to marking zone. First, how to marking zone, check H1 until M15. Okay, first find this pattern. Okay, next pattern is this pattern. Okay, just mark this level and this is second level. Okay, just mark. This is how to marking your zone, how to marking entry. Okay, that's all for today. This is my analysis. So weekly and H4 still buying until this level. Okay, just waiting game and waiting here. But if tomorrow if have setup, I will give buy. Okay, maybe I will buy until this level. Okay, we hope the zone is respect for selling. And my target sell. Around 100 pips is confirmed. 100 pips is confirmed and easy because this is daily setup. Maybe 300 pips more. Okay. Sell here. Okay, for now, for next week, just target for buy and focus for buy. If have setup sell, I will give setup sell. If have setup buy, I will give setup buy. Okay, just don't worry, I will give. Okay, that's all for today. Okay, now I'm at London. Maybe tomorrow I will go to Paris for 1 day, or because I just want to see Eiffel Tower, and then I will go to Turkey. Maybe Istanbul. I will go to Istanbul, and then I will back to my home, Singapore, and I will live trade. Okay. If I'm back home, I will start live trade back. Okay. So just hope, just pray for me, just pray for my. Okay, that's all for today. Bye, guys.